Welcome. In this session, we are going to understand how we can use MySQL databases with Node.js. In order to get started, you can download WAMP server. WAMP is a combination of Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. Or else you can download MySQL server from internet as well. In my machine, I have a copy of WAMP server installed and I'm going to access WAMP server using WAMP. So once we start this WAMP server, on the right hand side we get a green icon and this displays that the server is running fine. And within this server, as soon as we click on it, we can proceed to MySQL section, and from MySQL section we can proceed to MySQL console. As soon as I open this console, I have to provide in my password, and the password for my MySQL database at the moment is ABCDE12345. As soon as we open, we will land up to our MySQL instance. Now here what we have to do is, we have to create a database for my Node.js application in which I'll be performing my tests. To do that, I'm going to create a database and I'm going to call it as NodeDB. Once the database has been created, we can use show databases command in order to view the databases available. So now you can see that on my machine I've got a NodeDB created. Now in order to use NodeDB, I can simply execute the command use NodeDB, and now the database has been selected. Once the database has been selected, at the moment you can see that we don't have any tables. My database is empty at the moment. So we are going to create a sample table, and we can do that with create table name. And let's say I'm going to create a table for something like login or something. So I'm going to create a table login, and within this table login, I'm going to have an ID that will be an integer, auto increment, and it's going to be a primary key. Then I'm going to have username that will be of text type. Then I'm going to have password that will also be of text type. So what we did, we have created a table with the name login. In that we have a column known as ID, which is of integer type, auto incrementable, and it's a primary key as well. Then the second column I will have is username, which is of text type, and the third column which I'll have is password, which is also of text type. As soon as we execute, now my table has been created. We can now show tables, and you can see that I have login table created. We can make use of description of login in order to see columns and the key types. So once we do description, we'll get all the information about our login information. Now what we will do, let's say we are going to insert some values into this. Let's say I'm inserting one sample information into this. So what we'll do, we'll write this SQL statement somewhat like this. Insert into login. Insert into login, and within this we are going to insert values for username and password. And then what we are going to do, we are going to specify values, and let's say the first username will be admin and the password will also be admin. So that's my sample information which I am going to insert. As soon as we executed the statement, now you can see that we have inserted values into the database, and now we can execute select statement from login, and once we do that, we have got this information from the table. So at the moment we have inserted one row and we have one row in the set. Okay. Now what we'll do, we are going to insert one more sample information. Let's call it as Devanshu, and the password is Hakveda. So now what we have is, we have multiple values stored into this, and now if we do select star from login, you can see that we have multiple values inserted into our database. So we are using MySQL server. This MySQL is installed in my machine with the help of WAMP server. I'm going to connect my Node application with this MySQL instance, and we are going to connect to NodeDB. We are going to interact with our login table. Then we'll proceed to insertion and selection of data over this MySQL instance with respect to our Node application. Let's proceed to connection of MySQL with Node.js in the next session. Thank you for watching.